In this demo, we'll take a look at applying an update to our ESXi host using the ESXi command. The first thing we need to do is verify we have downloaded the zip repository. This can be downloaded from myvmware.com. To apply any updates, we should ensure the host is in maintenance mode. Once the host is in maintenance mode, we can apply the update using the ESXi command. We are installing here from the repository. All the VIBs inside the repository will be installed against the ESX host. We can then scroll up to see what VIBs were installed and what VIBs were removed. We can see that the result of our command was successful, and a reboot is now required. We can reboot the ESX host and take it out of maintenance mode once the reboot is complete. That is the process for applying an update to the ESX host using the ESXi command.